Forget everything you think you know about reality. There's a phenomenon so mysterious, so powerful, it left the greatest scientific minds baffled: quantum entanglement. And here's the secret they didn't tell you: this spooky action isn't just happening between tiny particles. It's happening within you, connecting your subconscious mind to the very fabric of the universe. Stay with me, because I'm about to reveal how unlocking this hidden energy connection can give you the power to transform your life, starting now. In the vast expanse of the universe, beneath the apparent chaos, a silent, invisible thread weaves all things together. Science calls it quantum entanglement, a principle revealing that two particles, once linked, remain connected regardless of space and time. Alter one, and the other responds instantly, even across galaxies. Yet, what if this wasn't merely a curiosity of quantum physics? What if your mind and, more importantly, your subconscious were woven into this same invisible web? Modern research now supports an idea whispered by mystics for centuries: your consciousness, emotions, and even your destiny are intertwined with this universal fabric. Through the science of quantum entanglement, it becomes clear that reality isn't a sequence of random events. Instead, it's an ocean of interconnected energy waves responding in real time to your deepest beliefs, thoughts, and emotions. Your subconscious, the silent architect of your life, functions as an antenna, sending signals into this quantum field and receiving responses. Once you learn to master this entanglement, something remarkable happens. The limitations you once accepted dissolve, revealing an energy within you, dormant, yet always present. This hidden energy isn't metaphorical, it's scientific, observable, measurable. When you align your subconscious patterns with the universal field, you don't just change your thoughts, you transform your reality. You begin to see the world bending around you, reflecting the energy you emit. That is the secret few understand, but once unlocked, it changes everything. To grasp how your subconscious can unlock this hidden energy, you must first comprehend the cosmic web binding existence itself. Quantum entanglement defies classical logic. Experiments show particles, once in contact, continue communicating instantly, regardless of distance. This breaks the limits of time and space, suggesting an underlying unity. But beyond the lab, this hints at a deeper truth: you are part of this web. Your body, thoughts, emotions are made of the same entangled particles. When these vibrate with intention, they influence others beyond physical proximity. Science confirms consciousness isn't limited to the brain. Researchers at institutions like HeartMath have shown the human heart emits an electromagnetic field measurable meters away, responding to your emotions. Your inner state literally radiates into the world. The subconscious mind governs 95% of your daily behavior, the silent driver operating beneath awareness. It's this subconscious that transmits frequencies into the quantum field. You may not realize it, but every belief, every stored emotion, shapes the signals you emit. If your subconscious is programmed with doubt, fear, or limitation, it continuously entangles with realities of scarcity and struggle. This isn't speculation, it's observable. Those dwelling in anxiety often find themselves in cycles of conflict. Conversely, those radiating gratitude and confidence attract prosperity. This isn't coincidence, it's quantum entanglement in motion. Your reality mirrors the dominant frequency pulsing from your subconscious. A parable echoes this: the farmer sows seeds, the soil grows what's planted, roses or thorns. Your subconscious is the soil, beliefs, emotions, intentions determine your life's harvest. As this web becomes clearer, the central role of the subconscious is undeniable. It acts like a living antenna, receiving and emitting frequencies shaping your perception and reality. Every childhood belief absorbed, every emotional wound, every reinforced thought pattern forms the blueprint your subconscious broadcasts. From birth, your mind absorbs energy, words, beliefs. During childhood, when the brain is in theta waves, the subconscious is most impressionable. Ideas about love, worthiness, scarcity, success are encoded without resistance, becoming automatic programs, silently instructing the energy emitted long into adulthood. What often escapes awareness is how these programs operate beneath the surface. Even as you consciously desire change, the subconscious remains tethered to initial blueprints, like outdated software running in the background, influencing choices, behaviors, opportunities. The antenna continues emitting the old frequency. This is why changing external circumstances fails without addressing the internal broadcast. You might desire abundance, but a subconscious wired to scarcity magnetizes struggle. You might long for love, but an antenna vibrating with unworthiness draws mirroring connections. The universe responds precisely to the signal you consistently emit, not surface desires. To alter this broadcast, recognize the subconscious as an active participant. It's not passive, it's a dynamic transmitter. This shifts focus inward, placing transformative power in mastering internal frequency. Recognizing the subconscious as an antenna opens the door to reprogramming. Just as a radio tunes to different frequencies, your subconscious can shift its output. But it requires deliberate practice, consistency, awareness. The quantum field mirrors your dominant signal, the work begins at the source. One of the most effective reprogramming tools is meditation. In deep meditative states, the brain returns to theta frequency, allowing new information to penetrate the subconscious deeply. Visualization during meditation amplifies this, embedding new beliefs. But it's not visualization alone, it's the emotional energy attached. The subconscious learns through repetition and feeling. Another tool is emotional reinforcement. Emotion amplifies thought. Visualize success, abundance, well-being, and pair it with the feeling of already experiencing it. The subconscious accepts this as reality, altering the signal you transmit, initiating synchronicities. Neuroscience supports this. Dr. Joe Dispenza shows how emotionalized thoughts form neural pathways, becoming default patterns. Feeling gratitude for what hasn't materialized rewires the subconscious antenna. Furthermore, consistency is essential. A single visualization won't override years of programming. Daily practice is key, like tuning an instrument. The subconscious absorbs what it receives most frequently. Surround yourself with environments, people, practices reinforcing the new vibration. Think of it as upgrading your mind's operating system. The more consistently you install new beliefs, the faster old limitations fade. Consider Michelangelo's words, "I saw the angel in the marble and carved until I set him free." Your subconscious is the marble, thoughts and emotions the chisel. Each visualization, affirmation, feeling of abundance is a strike, revealing the masterpiece within. Once reprogramming begins, an inevitable perception shift unfolds. The world reveals itself as an intricately connected tapestry, responding moment by moment to your energy. Quantum entanglement shows separation is illusory. Every thought, emotion, belief vibrates through the web, influencing personal and collective reality. This realization is empowering and humbling, dismantling victimhood, showing circumstances as energetic reflections of internal states. Challenges become feedback mechanisms guiding frequency refinement. Yet, this path has trials. As you elevate vibration, old patterns resist, pulling you back. The impartial quantum field reflects this fluctuation, offering confirmation, not judgment. Reality is like a mirror, it doesn't smile first. Your external world won't shift until your internal state does. Understanding this empowers you to take responsibility for your energetic output. However, even after mastering vibrational reprogramming, one subtle trap remains, the test of alignment. The universe consistently verifies your new frequency's stability, not with rewards, but with challenges exposing lingering doubts. These tests aren't punishments but confirmations. When a setback occurs after internal change, the field asks, is this new vibration default or conditional? Your response determines if the transformation anchors or collapses. Cultivating abundance. An unexpected financial obstacle might arise. Reacting with fear reinstates the old frequency. Responding with trust and gratitude signals the new program is stable. The field mirrors this choice without bias. This echoes ancient wisdom, like the Tao Te Ching, to attain knowledge, add things every day. To attain wisdom, remove things every day. The universe removes illusions to test alignment. Mastery involves recognizing tests as invitations to reinforce the new vibration. Once tests are understood, the next step is surrender. Detachment isn't giving up desire, it's releasing control over the outcome. The quantum field responds to certainty, the knowing that the desired already exists in potential. Surrender requires trust. Clinging to outcomes introduces anxiety, disrupting coherence. Detachment aligns with flow, allowing the universe to arrange circumstances. Gratitude is the gateway. Expressing thanks for what hasn't appeared signals the manifestation is real. Acting as though the desire has materialized creates the conditions for it. The Upanishads capture this: you are what your deep driving desire is. As your desire is, so is your destiny. Desire fused with surrender becomes will shaped by belief becomes action, action guided by vibration becomes reality. When detachment is mastered, the subconscious emits abundance frequency without resistance. The field responds precisely. At this process's culmination, a profound truth emerges: you are not a passive observer but an active participant, a creator entwined with existence. Quantum entanglement is the foundation, linked to your subconscious energy projection. When subconscious programming aligns with intentional vibration, the hidden energy awakens. It flows effortlessly when belief, emotion, action harmonize. Challenges become opportunities. Obstacles transform. Coincidence reveals itself as synchronicity. To embody this, live as though the desired reality already exists. Action, thought, feeling converge, broadcasting a coherent signal. The field responds not to want but to being. When abundance, love, success are embodied, the universe mirrors that state. As Plotinus wrote, never cease chiseling your own statue. Quantum entanglement is the chisel, the subconscious the sculptor, your reality the statue. Master both, hidden energy becomes visible power, and the universe bends to your vibration. Quantum entanglement reveals the hidden architecture of your reality. Your subconscious transmits frequencies shaping your experience. Beliefs, emotions, intentions vibrate outward, entangling with the field, returning as circumstances. The science is clear: inner world changes create external changes. Mastering this connection is your natural potential. Reprogram your subconscious, maintain alignment, surrender control, awaken the hidden energy. Life stops being random, it starts reflecting who you choose to be. Align thought, feeling, belief, and the universe can only respond in kind, because you are not separate from it, you are the creator of it. Now you know something extraordinary happens when you trust quantum entanglement. You discover you are not a lost passenger in chaos, but a conscious navigator of infinite possibilities. As Einstein said, reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. Today, you understand this illusion can be shaped, transformed, recreated, not by force, but by vibration, intention, deep trust in the invisible. You are not separated. You are not limited. You are living energy, creative consciousness, part of a cosmic entanglement responding to your internal choices. Now, the decision is yours. Will you continue living as if disconnected? Or will you rise up and consciously create the reality you were born to live? Host: If this journey touched your heart, comment below. I am the bridge between worlds. Share this message with someone who needs to remember their power. Subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and let's expand this wave of awakening and transformation together. What will you choose to create from now on? Because in the invisible game of life, those who awaken, they don't just play, they create.